Now you may be building your WordPress site and you'll look through the themes as we talked about in the theme video, and you may not be satisfied with what you find. You also might be looking at the plugins and you might be thinking about some things that you'd like to see on your site, but everything that you see isn't quite what you want it to be. One of the ways to work through that situation is to begin to look for paid upgrades. And you can typically find them by writing in WP plugin if you're looking to change the functionality, and then put the functionality in that you like. For example, we've placed here appointment scheduling, and we have here a WordPress appointment booking scheduling plugin, and we'll probably find other plugins that will help us with this process. We can do the very same thing for a theme, and if we type in WP and theme and then type in the kind of theme that we're looking for, we can typically find the right theme if we're willing to pay, and we can often do that. And you'll see here I've written in the word lawyer and WP theme, and there are lots of sites that will lead me to find a good site for a lawyer. And so you can always work around any functionality that's limited or any theme that's limited by being willing to pay for the plugin or being willing to pay for the theme. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.